Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to use iPhone's FaceTime in Android. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now what we have here is we have actually an iPhone on the left side and we have an Android on the right side. Now how can you create a FaceTime for both of them? So you can use your Android when calling for FaceTime. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to be sending a link from FaceTime itself. So on our iPhone, we're going to go in FaceTime. And then as you can see here on the options on the top left, we can see create link. So go ahead and click on this. And now you should be able to add a link itself. So go right on ahead and copy this and then send this over into an Android application. So this can be your friends or this can be a family or something. Go ahead and copy that link and then send it to them like this one right here. And then in our Android, go right on ahead and click on that as well. Now, as you can see, you have a chance to go ahead and add in your name. So let's just call this Android. And we'll click continue. And then as you can see, the camera will open up itself, allowing you to go ahead and use FaceTime via a website. And then in our iPhone itself, let's go back into FaceTime. And then on the Android, when they click on join, and then go ahead and go into your iPhone itself. And since I have do not disturb on, I didn't get any notifications, so let's go ahead and check our notifications. And as you can see here on the top, it says that someone requested to join, so go ahead and click on that. And then as you can see here, what you're going to do is you're going to join that actual link itself right here. And then we're going to be clicking on one person waiting at the top right here. And then as you can see, it says right here that it is probably this one. So go ahead and accept that. And then click done. And then once that has been accepted, as you can see here, both of them have now been able to join. So as you can see, we are now able to use FaceTime for both Android and iPhone together. Well, there you go. You're now able to connect FaceTime for both iPhone with Android. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.